Okay, Chronomancer. I'm curious about the orbs. They promise very well. I was the artist, musician, most of the code. Wait, you do art and you program? Huh. Interesting. I never saw a programmer that also did art, or the opposite. Usually artists and programming are like on different polar ends. It's the cloaked man. Oh no. Yeah, it's the one from my game, huh? No, it's not orange though, it's yellow. Maybe though we can mix the colors, I don't know. That's not a Steam game? No. Ah, I suppose maybe Chronomancer is not a very not used term or name. So I'm sure there will be games with the same name online. Okay, what was the arrow keys to move? I see. Oh, I'm super fast. Oh, wait. I can jump. Okay, with space you dash. I was trying... It's Celeste! Suddenly Celeste. It's literally Celeste, wow. Okay, what are the colors? Huh? Artisio time! We rotate. Oh, I see. It's not rotation. It's a different person in time. Okay. Oh, I see how the game goes. Can I talk to you? Wait. You will be my platform, huh? Okay, this is messed up. This is very confusing. I feel like this will be very messed up. Also, I think it got stuck. Let's try that. Huh? I need to get the green, yeah. Ah, yeah, I need to get to my color, I see. I'm not good at... Ha! Now. Oh, also the music is extending, I see. Rewind? I suppose it makes sense to have a rewind or something. Okay, R is a start. Hold is return to the previous one. I see. That's why it's impossible, right? Because I need for the green to be at platform for me. Like the green should stay here and I bring the red up. Maybe I was a little too fast, I don't know. I hope it's the right side. The yellow got stuck on me, huh? Help me from the past? Okay, I like this idea. Wait, I'm heavy! They cannot bring me all the way there, I see. Now. That is easy, right? Okay, next level. Okay, ooh! I see how it is, ooh. Okay, this is that kind of mind-breaking puzzle games. I'm down for this. We didn't come up with a better idea. Ah, that's unfortunate because I feel like it's important for people to look up for your game. Because when you look up on Google Chronomancer, or I think it was Chronomancer, it's unfortunate that they find a different game. So when you say, oh, I made a game, Chronomancer, and people look up and find the wrong game, it can be disheartening. Okay, one thing though. The game needs to tell you the spawn point of the next ones, because otherwise I don't know how to prepare in advance. Maybe they continue rotating, I suppose. Okay, they rotate counterclockwise like this, but I think that's a detail that it's very important, and it's unfortunate it's missing. I need to know. Would be great to know which is the next one and where they will spawn. Let's see if I can use the yellow for now. Huh. How do I do that section? Let me try again. I can probably bring the green all the way there, up there. And I suppose it saves the input, so I can keep the right button pressed. Blue is fat. Come on, it's not fat, it just has a big grid box. Okay, so I should continue jumping. So it can move without me pushing him down. Okay. Now, blue. Huh. Oh no, I need to do the same thing with green. I see. And with red as well. No, I don't actually. I may want to do it with red though. Yeah, I need to do it with red. Do I? Maybe we don't. Wait. Oh wait, this is blue. Never mind. We do. Ah, I got the wrong one. I suppose we just need to do the elevator with all of them. Wait. For a moment I forgot I was yellow. Maybe the weight mechanic is too much on top of the gameplay core. But that's not that bad, honestly. The main problem is you can't really think in advance if you don't memorize the order and when the next ones will spawn. Also, I feel like maybe 4 is a little too much. Because I already solved it with green, right? Oh no, I need also to do it in time. Okay, so I need to wait. Okay, that's unfortunate because I love the idea, the main idea behind this, but the execution I feel like can get a little annoying since apart from not being able to know which will be the next one or the order, but mainly because you have to do it with all of them the same action. I would have liked if there were like less colors maybe. I think even 2 would be right. Go there, fast. Okay. We are pretty in time. Even too much maybe. No! Because doing one like this is fine, but having to do it twice can be also be fine. But having it do 3 times even for the red at the end can be a little too much. No! I missed my ride! Okay. Now I should be in time. Oh yeah, the wait. And the red. Let's get my bus. Maybe I don't even need this one. Do I need this? I may need it, but if I do a parkour here... Yeah, parkour! Okay. Okay, this one maybe can be more interesting than the other one, because there is less symmetry here. The previous one had symmetry, so it was some sort of repetition. Though, at least there was some correlation between them, where you need to wait way more in the first one and then for the other one. I don't know, though I feel like 2 colors or 3 would have been enough. Unless this puzzle changes my mind. We have 4, so there's a full circle. Okay, that makes sense. Though again, I would have liked to see where is the next one, which is the next color. Because now I have to do all the way here. And I need to reload later. Later I need to reload because I don't know what I'm supposed to do with the next colors. The next one probably is here. I don't remember the color of this one though. Also, I'm already having trouble with the default one. I'm already having troubles with this one. Maybe the other way. Okay, yeah, this is wrong. Never mind. Huh. I hope I don't look like the reviewer playing the tutorial of Cuphead. Oh, come on, I was this close. Because I need to do a short jump here. Maybe if I jump close to the border though. That's a hard jump though for a puzzle game. That's way too hard for a puzzle game, unless I'm missing the solution. Oh, hello Helox, level designer and co-programmer. Finally managed to make a Twitch account. Next player is always 90 degrees clockwise. Response from the same place relatively. Okay, but I don't remember the color of the second one. I think it's green, right? So maybe it should be that. Okay, okay, the torches I suppose are the spawn points. So that's what I suppose it is. Still, the torches should be colored. One is green, one is red, one is yellow. So I know where the color spawns. Or at least the portals rotated in a specific direction. Also, this puzzle is really... Oh, this platforming is a little too hard for being something you need to do after setting up the green one. Unless, again, I'm doing something wrong. Okay, yeah, no, this is too hard. First, let's set up for green. Lower platform. Ah, it's possible? I tried once, but I failed. Let's try. Okay, a vertical, maybe a full vertical one. Ah, okay, yeah. Thanks for the suggestion. Now. At least you can try as many times you want. Come on, yellow, you can. Yeah. Wait, what about blue? Oh no, I need green. And what about yellow? Wait, green. No, green cannot go here, right? Huh. I love how the music extends to the next section. But yeah, unfortunately, without knowing which color spawns next, you can't really think ahead. Now I have the full picture and I can. But before I couldn't. So... just remember, yellow, green, blue, and red. That means they... Huh. To go there, how do I do? I need to... Oh. I need to have the green here, as a platform. Okay, it's getting a little complicated, but I like it. Here. Now, be fast. Okay, we have some extra time. Now. I'm missing the jump. Now, fast, we don't have... Oh, come on, I missed my ride. And I think we are not even ready for the red. We should also set up the red. Aha, okay. Let's see if we can. Okay, let's see. Come on. I don't think we're ready for the red, but again, let's see. I think this is possible even alone. Yes. And the red. Yeah, I'm not doing this shit. Wait, with the blue! The blue can help me. What is the blue doing? I wonder if I can do it without preparing in advance. Let me try. I think it's possible. I think it's possible. Come on, blue. Okay, I need to wait for the blue to go there. I don't want to do the part before, right? I don't even know why the blue is here. Maybe a bug. I think like the controls are messed up a little. Yeah, definitely I'm body blocking the blue sometime. No, blue died. No. Yeah, maybe the... I don't know though how to implement it without messing up with the controls. I may want to redo the blue. Oh, no, I can't though. I don't have enough time for the green, right? Come on! We are body blocking each other's. Maybe we should return back. Okay, blue, do the quick elevator. And green. No, we don't have time. We don't have time. Definitely out of time. No, we need to go with whatever we have. I need to do everything all over again otherwise. No, no, the blue is working, huh? We really don't have time? Come on, okay, we need to do everything, but now I have the full picture at least. So, let's wait here for a minute. Yeah, blue was bugged, I don't know why. At least it was kinda helping in a way. Okay, now should be enough. Maybe I can just go here with red, I don't know. Also, I shouldn't die. I was about to die. Oh, thanks for the follow, Aticharda. Welcome to the stream. Thanks a lot. We are here trying Chronomancer. And I'm really enjoying it. I love those sort of puzzle games. There is still the problem of not being able to have the full picture at the start, but that's actually a minor thing because I can understand the limitation of the game jam. Okay, here, that's what I can get over with the limitation of the time in the game jam. Polishing. Other games didn't have a lot of features, and that was because there wasn't enough time for the game jam. This game though, well, the other games though didn't have features, but I feel like more features were needed to make the game and fully shine, fully enjoyable. This game already has what it needs to be enjoyable. And it's only missing some quality of life. Actually, kinda important quality of life, but I don't mind that much. But again, this is understandable because they focus more on having something playable instead of... No, they focus more on... here they focused on having the right... Did the green light just push me down? They focus more on having a fun gameplay and a unique concept for the game jam before even I don't know. They focus more on the gameplay itself instead of no, let me rephrase. They focused more on having an enjoyable game loop. Got it, loop. And only later maybe worked on adding levels or something. I don't think I explained myself correctly, but I don't know how to. Okay, I was just trying the buttons. That's a gravity switch. And this kills you, right? Yes. Okay, so I can just go here. Green goes here rotated. And we already have a problem, right? No, maybe not. Maybe we do. Ah, okay, okay. This is getting messy, but I like it. Is there a coyote jump? No, okay. Yeah, it's impossible if you don't get some help. Okay, this is actually very messy, but I'm enjoying it. So, yellow, green, blue, red. So yellow is easy. Green requires the help. We can actually change point of view, right? Like, we can play as the point of view of blue now. Blue should spawn around here. And needs to go up there. Maybe... Wait, why is the symbol of rotation here? Huh. You cannot even go in there. This other way may be more practical, but... I can technically switch point of view and go here. And blue can do it. Blue can do it on its own. That's good to know. What about red? Red is here. I can see the point of view of red, but it needs to go up there. It just needs someone to move him in the top row. We can have blue do that. Blue has all the time of the world, right? If it doesn't die, yeah. Blue though is kinda tight on movement. Maybe I should do it with yellow. I will do it with yellow. And green needs an extra hand as well. Let's see how. I just need yellow here, right? Ah no, yellow cannot... Huh. What about yellow here? Should be enough, right? But it will be pushed down, so I don't know. Let's see, I don't think it's enough, but... Yeah, I don't think it's right. Definitely possible, but not the best idea. Otherwise, there may be better ways. There definitely are. Ah, wait, it's doable. Not again, not the best one, but works. And I think we do this and we are fine. Oh, come on. Okay, maybe there are better ways. Like... someone escort us from here. Yeah, or we can loop around all the way. We can just get the gravity here. And we can also do the thing for the other character. We need one way from here. And one way from the other way. And I suppose we can return back, right? Yes! Now green. We need to wait for our elevator here. It might take some time. It's hard to make those puzzles have one solution. Well, at least it's not a problem if the puzzle doesn't have a single solution. Though, I understand that it's cool to have the players reason whatever they have in mind. Blue can do it on its own. I hope it doesn't body block though. Wait, red needs the elevator here. Oh no, yellow died and we need to retry. Okay, yellow, do your thing. Yellow. And we did it! Yeah! Was that intended solution? Well, I suppose maybe blue wasn't intended to go on its own, maybe. Because the jump was a little tight. Oh, hello Pete. Your channel is not tagged. Ah, wait, there is the tag of Game Maker Toolkit? Ah, thanks for know. Thanks for letting me know. Game Maker Toolkit. Huh. Which one is the right one though? 2025, I suppose. Thanks for letting me know. I have the GMTK in the title. I hope that's enough. And I shared it on Discord. And hello, iCook. You can submit by following the link. I don't have an automatic one, unfortunately. Lots of games. Yeah, almost 10,000. Wow, that's a little too many. How interesting. Now the portal is kind of a body block even. Oh, I cannot undo? We have an issue. I cannot undo. I hold there, but it doesn't return back to yellow. I hope it doesn't create an issue. I cannot return to yellow. I don't think it's an issue because yellow doesn't do much here. It gets stuck here. Oh no, platforming. Oh, sure, I got a shortcut. Level is broken, only in the build, that's the worst part. What do you mean, the engine works? Oh no, that has to be a nightmare. Okay, then just in case, I will not take the next one, unless I know what I want. So, blue. What is this thing? Blue needs an elevator here, okay. Here. And red needs an elevator here. Which will be given by blue. Huh. Oh, thanks for the follow, hi Kyuk. Welcome to the stream. I have a long list of names. I will remind it to every developer. If you have submitted the second link is the list of games. I will play them in order, giving priority to the developer in chat, so you know if your game is coming up or not, so you can come later or not. In any case, the stream will be saved, and so if you don't have time, you can just come back later, and even when I stop, you will find everything I did. I will try to play all of them, but I can't guarantee everything. I'm sorry. Oh, I see. Oh, I forgot about this redeem. Okay, hi Cook. I will say something superlatively superfluous. Let me get ready, and here it goes. Something superlatively superfluous. I said it. I would say also it's very fitting for the... Okay, I'm sorry, it feels like advertising, but fitting for what I did for my game of the game jam, since the theme is around loopholes and finding the other alternative meanings of sentences. So nice, it fits pretty well. It works in the editor, but for some reason breaks when playing the entire build. Ha! That's like a developer worst nightmare. It kinda happened to me as well, actually. Luckily though, I realized it in time. Because I programmed it that it loads a different font when it shows text for the character name or for the action window. Unfortunately, I didn't program it in the right way, and it only loaded the font from my system. But if a user didn't have the font, it will load the default font, and it was very messy to see. So I just removed the second font entirely. So this level is definitely beatable, but we need to first build the elevator for blue here, and even here. I kinda want to bring blue here because we need an elevator for red, right? Or we can just do this. We could do this actually, right? This can count as an elevator for red. Let's see. Elevator for blue is coming right up. And this should be precise, right? Ah, wait, how do I do it? Because green will be pushed down. I hope it works. And then the elevator for red. That's the best I can do. I hope it works. Gravity will help, right? Oh no, wait, no, that's wrong because I'm stuck here now. Never mind. So we need to use blue as an elevator. And that kinda can get messy, right? So let's wait, elevator here. No, wait, the pushing, the hitbox, the pushing down is definitely a problem. No, wait. Yellow at least wouldn't have helped. That's nice. I think doesn't play well in Unity. Huh. How so? Well, I suppose every engine has its problems or workarounds, loopholes if you want, or anti-loop. How it's something that doesn't work? Anti-loophole. Maybe not. Never mind. Fine for window, wonky with WebGL. Ah yeah, because I'm still playing on browser. Okay, yeah, I understand, because even the engine I use, I don't say the name, I'm sorry. Okay, it's RPG Maker, that's why I don't want to say it. On browser lags. Not lags, more like loads pictures with async. So you need to preload them before, and that's very annoying. That's why I prefer just to have a downloadable version. It's just a different engine completely on browser, I don't get it. Huh. So for the blue you can have the elevator. Though if I go too fast, I will get the spikes. Also need an elevator for red. Also green is falling. And the only one that can be an elevator for red is blue. But blue cannot go up here. Seems impossible, unless... Wait, what if I do this? Will this work? I got stuck. I hope I can undo. Because that will be my only try. Also, I don't get how this is possible, honestly. Because I will get pushed down. So I will never be online here. I don't get it. I don't get it. Oh well, let's do my only idea. Which I don't... Never mind. Huh. Again though, I don't think with yellow you can do a lot. With red, but you do first blue then red, so no. Ends on green because of the bug. What do you mean? Wait. I don't... What do you mean ends on green? If I get the green portal, it will end? Yellow is the one supposed to help red. Ah! That sucks, I cannot undo. Well, let's see what happens if I take green. Huh? Doesn't even work! Well, that's unfortunate. I suppose we have to stop here. Let me think though, how is yellow supposed to help red? It can parkour all the way here. Go here. Then it jumps all the way here. I don't see how yellow is supposed to help red. Yellow cannot go to red in any way. The max yellow can do is go here, but cannot jump all the way here. Unless those rotate in a way. I suppose then we cannot go through, unfortunately. What if you tried helping yellow with green? Wait, oh, that's super cool. Helping the past self with green. Okay, that's a small line between cleverness and madness, and that's probably pretty close to the line. Wow. Okay, that would be pretty cool. Very unfortunate I cannot do the puzzle here though. I was just wondering before if how far this thing will go, how far the tech will go. So I suppose like yellow can jump on top of green here from the past. You need to time it all. Oh, that would be pretty cool actually. And then how? I don't see how green will help yellow though. Red can help yellow. Red can help yellow here. Too bad. I wanted to try this puzzle, but it's impossible. I have to stop here, I'm sorry. But I would love to play this level and the next ones if possible. My brain is too small to solve this, but I like it. Yeah, that's the type of puzzles I like. The one that makes me feel stupid. Because then I can start thinking. I feel like people are getting too soft with puzzles nowadays. Because, like, having a puzzle that doesn't make you think is not really a puzzle. Okay, I can understand a puzzle where you stop a moment and say, okay, this thing should go in that way. That's not really a puzzle because you are considering which options you have. Push left, push right, use that block, use that other one. It's when things get this messed up that true gamers come in. True puzzle gamers takes the cursor, the keyboard, lose some IQ points because this thing is definitely with some permanent effects on your brain. Not always positive. But you can at least say you got a good pro gamer puzzle experience. We should normalize pro gamer puzzle experiences like this. Like Baba Is You even. Like did you play Baba Is You? Because I felt like this last puzzle, at least the intended solution you mentioned, kinda is something about Baba Is You. Because Baba Is You is later in the game about using apparently unintended consequences of actions and rules to your advantage to solve puzzles. I like this one a lot, despite the bug. For now, it's my favorite. Not that I tried a lot, there's 10,000, so there's definitely one that is my favorite between them, but that's definitely my favorite so far. You can time the post-gen build on the future. Oh, definitely. If you want, you can tell me. I will definitely try it. I don't know if on stream or on my own, but I will definitely do it. Okay, we can go on the next one.